Let's see how to create a circular welding trajectory in UWeld. We will need to ensure that the TCP and robot payload are properly configured. Once we have inserted the UWeld trajectory instruction, we will move the robot to an approach position. We will record the position by pressing the linear button for 1 second until we see the position indicator turn green. Then, we will position the robot at the welding start point and record the position with the linear button. To create the circular trajectory, we need to record a position every 90 degrees of the circumference. We will position the robot at 90 degrees and press the circular button for 1 second. We will see that a yellow circular movement is added to the programming tree. We will record the next position at 90 degrees and observe that the circular instruction turns white. We will continue with the third position, 90 degrees from the previous one. And we will finish with the fourth position that will close the weld bead. Here, we will indicate the end of the welding arc, so we need to press the linear button for 5 seconds. Finally, to record the exit position, we will press the linear button for 1 second. The interface will show that the trajectory has been completed. It is important to remove the teach pendant from the work table before running the program. Thank you for your preference.